I'm Aaron Graber with Ventrac. In this video, we'll discuss the SA250 Drop Spreader. A drop spreader is absolutely essential for anyone doing snow removal on sidewalks or in other tight spaces. And we've gone to great lengths to engineer the best one available. Our drop spreader features full stainless steel construction and several patented features that make it perfectly suited for the job. It has an overall width of 47 inches and a drop width of 40 inches. This drop spreader has a 200-pound capacity standard, and it also has the ability for an additional 200 pounds with the optional extension kit. On Ventrac equipment, the extension hopper can only be used on 4000 series tractors. Because of its compact nature and the fact that it uses 12-volt electric power, this drop spreader is perfect for use on any machine that you're using for snow removal on sidewalks. It has a patented agitation plate and compression roller system that help meter out anything from coarse to fine material in a simple yet durable and effective way. This design does not include any extra vibratory motors, so it runs smoother and has less components that can go wrong in the future. The agitation plate also does a superior job of preventing bridging and breaking through clumps in any material that you're running through. The 12-volt electric motor is also weather sealed so that the entire unit has long-term durability in the most corrosive and wettest environments. One of the biggest advantages of our drop spreader is how much control users have over their application rates. You can meter it down to 4 pounds per minute with something like bagged rock salt, and just 5 pounds per minute even with bulk rock salt. But this drop spreader doesn't limit you to only being able to spread low amounts. With rock salt, you can spread up to 75 pounds per minute as well. And on the topic of application rates, another free feature that's there for anyone to use is on our website at the SA250 webpage. We have several calculators there that help you do some of the complex math having to do with drop rates to help make it a little bit easier to figure out exactly what you're putting down. Each drop spreader comes with a wireless remote to control the spreader from the cab. So you see it here, it's labeled 1 through 6. It has 5 different speeds, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then 6 is a full speed burst. If you hold 6 down, it bursts for that long, and then as soon as you let it go, it reverts back to whatever speed setting you've selected. There's an on and off, and that obviously controls the controller on the spreader. For use with Ventrac equipment, we also sell mounts for inside the cab where you can clip this controller in so that you don't have to hold it on you the entire time. The spreader attaches to the tractor with a 2-inch receiver hitch right here and a 12-volt rear plug. You'll also see on the hitch itself, there's multiple mounting locations so that you can attach the spreader in a higher or lower position depending on your clearance preferences. The gate adjustment on this spreader can be accessed by removing the left panel. There are 2 gate adjustments on this spreader, the gate travel and the gate opening. This right here adjusts your gate travel in settings 1 through 7. Setting number 1 being the lowest amount of gate travel and the lowest application rate. Setting number 7 being the highest amount of travel and the highest application rate. To adjust this, you loosen this nut and move the rocker link to the position you want and then tighten it back up. If that's not enough of an adjustment, you'll move to the second gate adjustment, which is the gate opening up here. You'll remove this panel on the left side, but also the right side to adjust this one. And you'll loosen this bolt and move this panel from position A through E to select your gate opening. Position A is the smallest gate opening, position E is the largest gate opening. No matter what attachment you're running on the front, on the 4500 tractor, this drop spreader helps round out the machine as the perfect snow package. But since it is available with universal 2-inch receiver and 3-point Category 1 mounts, it can be run on a variety of other vehicles. It allows them to precisely control application rates and oftentimes save a lot of money on salt costs. It's also there when they need it, and they know that it's going to be reliable time after time. Thank you for watching this video on the Ventrac Drop Spreader. For more information on this and other attachments, visit our website at ventrac.com or call a local dealer for a demo.